What up, beautiful person? So it's almost 6 o'clock right now, and we had a great night, a great sleep rather. I kind of just ate a ton of Carl's Jr. and then passed out. So I didn't bring my teeth supplies. That's still at the danger zone, my aunt's property. So I'm going to go to Walmart and get some toothbrush and that kind of thing. And then we're going to turn on Dasher right away. As you know, our front battery is damaged, so since our bills are paid and the community is still voting on the next item we're going to acquire for our base camp, I will focus on earning enough money for that today. So $20 later, we have stuff to brush our teeth, but we also have one of these, which I've been needing for a while. It covers your toothbrush, and our toothbrush has just kind of been chilling in a bag, so we kind of wrap it in tissue paper or something every day. So I really like the McDonald's here. The manager is I think his name's Damien. I'm not too sure, but he's a cool guy. And it's funny, today the sheriff took my order 8:30 on accident, and I didn't say anything because I wasn't gonna yell at the sheriff, but Damien gave me another coffee, so it was pretty cool. Look at this thing. Woo! This hotel is really cool. It's very, like, I don't know the word, but it doesn't seem like the space should make sense. So you kind of like come here. So it's got like 3 hallway things. It's really crazy. We did $40 between 6:30 and 9:30, and now we're at Walmart, and I'm looking for a battery. This one might be a little small, but it'll work. It's on that side. So again, $70. We need the positive on the left, and I don't want to spend much money. At least now we know what we're working towards. I know we should get like a lithium ion battery, use the one in the front and then switch a lithium in the back. But I was reading that you have to do something different with the alternator, because the alternator can, like, the lithiums can draw more, and it's just more complexity plus more money. And we really need the battery in order to make sure PokéCircuit happens, because without PokéCircuit, or without the battery, it's going to be really, the secondary battery, it's going to be really risky to be running a switch and a TV and stuff in the car. We're already drawing low voltage. The car's already having a harder time starting because the voltage is dropping so much. See what I'm saying? Okay, it's 10 o'clock now, and we've earned $10. So we're gonna pause, which gives us like 35 minutes. And yeah, we're gonna replace the battery, and then we won't really have to worry about it. 12 here. Yeah, I know I didn't need to take that off, but I just realized that. Yeah, look at this thing. It is ugly. It's so tore up. I can't believe it's survived as long as it has. Like 3 years, 2 with me, and then who knows how long they had it before. This one, Group 65, 5cc, $70. Sick deal. $75 later. Be honest, how many of you knew I grabbed the wrong one the first time? All right, not bad. They're nice and snug. Our battery box is still messed up. We're gonna need to get like another, we need to get the tie down, and also it's missing bolts and stuff. So that's what's going on there. But hey, we did one repair from the repairs that we needed to do from the long road trip, Next, we'll probably replace this blinker, and then I don't know if I showed you in the other video, but this exhaust hanger, we unpaused from Dasher and we had 8 minutes left, so it took us about 30 minutes to do that, which is pretty chill. Well, what I'm gonna do now is work on the dual battery isolator to make sure that we can get it back into manual mode, and we should be pretty good now. This is a huge like upgrade. The battery was literally dead yesterday. Leroy mentioned that we needed to clear the code in order to make sure that the gas cap was or wasn't the thing that fixed it. Meaning fixed it, meaning the check engine light with the low evap, with the very low evap leak. So having the battery disconnected should have cleared that. It did clear it, and the car's shaking and everything. So the definitely reset the ECU. So we're gonna take a little time to. We're at 13.3 right here. Okay. So I think until this gets up to, we have to drive, I think, a bit before it'll let us switch to manual mode, because 13.3 is lower than the 12.3 is lower than the cutoff, which is 12.8. So these people have been standing outside the Walmart with a sign saying that they need gas to get to Colorado for like the last couple days. I might ask them if they have a gas can. Do you have a gas can?
I do not have a gas can. Sorry.
Yeah, see, I don't necessarily know if I should buy them a gas can, because I don't want to give them money, because I just don't trust that it's not a hustle. So if we help them, we'll buy a gas can and give them gas. But all right, once we're gonna accept the side quest. Okay, so let's go to the hardware store and see how much a gas can is. So $30. Looks like this one's a couple dollars cheaper, but we'll just get the red one. Okay, so $32 later, we got a gas can. We just used what we had saved, and we'll pay ourselves back later. And then, yeah, so I guess now we get gas. Haven't got a delivery yet. Drink my precious. Fuel's got some weight to it. I always forget that. Hell yeah. All right, so he's also replacing the wheel bearing hub assembly, the whole hub assembly, because the inner race wheel bearing just grenaded, and so they replaced the whole thing, and they need a new rotor and stuff too. But you know, we did what we could to help. Somebody else is now helping them too, so feels kind of good. Maybe we got the ball rolling for them. Right, well, with that side quest complete, hopefully we start getting deliveries. My new favorite spot. I gotta start eating better. Just been eating a bunch of like Carl's Jr. and McDonald's lately, so I feel like I've lost a lot of strength. It was nice though at the property. One of my favorite things to do is to go to the rock formation and work out on that. It's been pretty nice, but since I kind of like, I don't know, it's not really worth getting into, but I've been staying in town last night and probably will again tonight, so it's definitely nice to be in town early in the morning, like we did well in the morning. So who knows what's gonna end up happening, but yeah. Gonna grab a few more sets, try to work my way back up. Okay, well, it's 3 o'clock now, and I don't know, I guess I'm mad? I'm just angry. I need to eat. I'm trying to convert the anger. It's not that I'm mad at the dash, although the dashing today has sucked. So from 9 to 12 was $18, and then from 12 to 3 was $25. So yeah, not so great, but it's okay. I've been like kind of scatterbrained and all over the place. I've been working on trying to organize the car a bit, because we've got the new battery today. We did a lot, right? We've got the new battery. We completed the side quest. We got gas for somebody. We have a gas tank in the car now. I don't know if we should keep that there or put it in storage, but I just kind of need to organize it, especially the electrical stuff, so all of the plugs are really accessible. And there's just a bunch of crap in the car, and it's driving me crazy. Hey, so it's 4:15, 20 almost, and we just got notified that Let's Go Eevee came in to our post office, so we're gonna, I think they close at 5. Online it says they're already closed, so I'm gonna be real sad if we get there and they're closed. But hopefully they're not closed, so we're gonna go get the game. I'm excited. We're almost ready to play PokéCircuit. I hope you're ready to play, Koopa. It literally audibly sighed when this opened. I was so excited. All right, let's open this thing. Address, because it's a P.O. box. Mail me stuff. Also, I'm homeless, so it doesn't matter. Yes, let's go, Eevee. Ah. Okay, so really? I have not played a Pokemon game in years, and I'm very excited. The last one I played was, I believe, Scarlet and Violet. Is that what it's called? Or the one before that, Sword and Shield. That's the last one I played, was Sword and Shield. And it was, oh no, I did play a little bit of Scarlet and Violet. But I didn't get super far because I was dealing with a lot of other stuff in that time. But this is based off the first one, and we're gonna use it for our next reality game, PokéCircuit. Ooh, we got this stuff flooding over here. So I heard a really big bang, like a car crash or something. I'm gonna see if we can find out where it was. Oh yeah, you can see the sirens right there. That's crazy. The whole wheel came off. Whoa. Sunsets are just so beautiful here. Look at the BRZ, or well, GT86. It's a blue GT86. It's like beautiful. I look at it every day and I'm like, looks like our side quest was completed though. I don't see them looking for gas no more. Hey, sick. Same with your pictures in my brain. Just start eating healthier. I'll figure it out. I got a plans, kind of. So I want to eat roughly 150 grams of protein a day. You know what? We'll talk about this later. The isolator's working! We've got about 30 minutes left. I'd like to pick up another 10 bucks or so let's see what happens. But I'm gonna eat some KFC. I know earlier we were just like, we gotta fix our diet, which we are. But today we're eating KFC. KFC. So I had this kind of interesting idea, maybe. I was thinking we should make some shirts, but I should make some shirts for myself that are like After Earth Arcade delivery service, and maybe like Brandon or BK, and then powered by DoorDash or something somewhere. And then I'll have like a uniform for when I'm working, and then that'll like, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do that. Let me know what you think, if that's a good idea or not. We also need to start working on the MR2. I just don't know. I just don't really feel like I belong at the property, really. It's not, you know, it's like their thing, and I just feel like I'm intruding and getting in the way. It's not really something that I want to focus on trying to get this OK tire shop. And I know we talked about the RPG thing, about adding stuff to the base camp, and yeah, we should keep doing that, but I don't know, maybe we shouldn't keep doing that. Like I said, I'm really torn right now. I've been dealing with kind of this, I don't want to get into it really. It's just that, like I said, it's not really, I need to focus on leveling myself up and getting to where I need to be. And I think I'm splitting my focus too much by working on the camp. They don't need me on the property, you know, like their channel is blown up, and you know, it's not like they need me financially, and they don't really need me. Dee Dee looks so sick like this. We got our last delivery. These 2 pizzas. Okay, well, there's still offers available. It's saying that there's like 1 minute wait, so we could do 9 to 12, but I'm not going to. We made $58 in this dash from whatever 3 to 9 or whatever, and we earned, oh, and we got a $20 tip in cash, which was sick. So I think that puts us like at 150 or something. But anyways, I really want KFC, so we're gonna go to KFC before they close, and then we're gonna hit the Loves, our new home, I guess. The thing is, like, you know, I should be like I was saying before, I should be focused on getting a, you know, a place like the OK Tire Shop. You know, I should be focused on getting that. Like, obviously, it would be nice to, you know, try to get an apartment and stuff to live with my dog and things like that. But he's living his best life. He loves my aunt. He loves the property. He's useful there. He's doing his job. You know, like, he's protecting them and surveying the land and doing whatever dogs do. So it's where he belongs. I just don't feel like that's where I belong. You know, like, I need to be out here on the streets grinding until we get the OK Tire Shop. Well, it's later than I wanted it to be, and my chicken is cold because I locked myself out of the car. Luckily, Athena came and saved me. Well, yeah, I'm just not gonna... I don't know. I hope that you're having a great night, and you take care of yourself, and you remember that you're an amazing person and you can do whatever you want. Just keep going, and let me know if you need help.